Hey guys, it's Caitlin. Welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, I do a lot of curly hair content, DIY beauty hacks, and other random life things. So if you're into that, definitely subscribe. I would love to have you here. Today's video is an updated curly hair wash routine. It's changed a lot since the last time I posted one, and I feel like I've finally cracked the code for my hair, so of course I need to share that with you guys. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I've struggled with my hair health in the past, hair thinning, my curl texture being weird, all of that. So if that's you right now, or if you're just looking to improve the health and overall quality of your hair, I got you. This video is for you. So healthy hair really begins at the root, at the scalp. So I'm starting out with a scalp massage, just using my fingers. This stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, which helps your hair grow thicker and quicker. Also, the natural oils help condition your scalp, which is great, and not to mention it is a stress reliever. So this massage helps to relieve stress and some of that tension that we hold in our scalp without even realizing it. And of course, stress affects your hair, your skin, your body, really just everything. So any chance we get to relieve it, reduce it, we are taking that. Next, I'm going in with a scalp brush. I would really recommend getting one of these. This is what's going to get in there and really clean and exfoliate your scalp. Getting a clean and exfoliated scalp is one of the most important and best things you can do for your hair. There's often a lot of buildup on your scalp from things that you don't even see or notice, like the hard water coming out of your shower, hair products that you're constantly putting on your hair, sweat, oils, things from the environment, just buildup that you don't realize is happening, but that can make your hair fall out and stop growing. You don't have to use this exact scalp brush, but I like this one because of the tiny little bristles. I feel like they really get through my hair and into my scalp better. So if you want this one, I can link it in the description, but really any scalp brush will work. If your hair is long like mine is right now, you can section it out to make sure that you're really getting through it and into every part of your scalp. And I try to exfoliate in the direction of my hair growth so that I don't pull any hair out. Sometimes I get a little aggressive with exfoliating my scalp. I really get into it. And then my scalp is sore the next day. So try not to do that. You can be gentle. Just make sure that you're breaking down all of that buildup on your scalp so that we can wash it out. Okay, so getting into the wash. I wanted to show you the shampoo that I've been using for the last few years. This is not the shampoo we're using today in this video, but I still wanted to give it a shout out because it's one of my favorites. It's a Wavy curly hair bath. I love the ingredients. I love that it comes in a dark glass bottle, no plastic. I love the shampoo, but I ran out of it recently, so it led me to trying out a new shampoo that a friend gave me, which has become a new favorite, and this is what I'm currently loving. So this is the Moroccan Oil Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. These two products make my hair softer than it has ever felt in my whole life. I swear I've gotten so many compliments lately on how soft my hair is, and I don't really get that compliment a lot. Like, people say stuff about my hair all the time, but never about how it feels. So I truly think it's because of these two products, and I'm so happy to have so randomly found them. I'm detangling my hair a little bit while it's dry. Because of my highlights, my hair's a little bit more tangly lately, so if anybody has any favorite detanglers, drop them in the comments. I would love some recommendations. I would love to try them out. Okay, so moving on to the wetting of the hair. Don't know why I said it like that. This is where I always like to mention, if you have hard water, I would look into getting a shower filter to filter out some of those minerals and other things that are in hard water and that are building up on your hair and your scalp, causing it to look whack. And I can say that because it happens to me. So today I am first using my clarifying shampoo, and this is a type of shampoo that strips your hair a little bit more than a regular shampoo does, and this is not something you should be doing every time you wash your hair. This should only be done once a month, but it is important to do. This, along with the scalp brush, is what is really going to break down all of that buildup and just get it off of your hair and off of your scalp and return your hair and scalp to their absolute cleanest, freshest, happiest state and ready to put more buildup right back onto it. So today, the clarifying shampoo that I'm using is called Solu. It's by Davines. This is just the one that my hairstylist recommended, and it lasts a really long time because I only use it once a month, but this is an important step, so you should be clarifying once a month, deep conditioning once a week. Now, moving into the more regular wash routine with my Moroccan Oil Hydrating Shampoo, I also put a couple of drops of rosemary oil in my shampoo. This has helped tremendously with my hair growth. Never put essential oils directly onto your skin or scalp. That can cause damage. You're supposed to mix them with a carrier oil first. I just mix it into a handful of shampoo. I don't know if that's the safest thing to do. I don't know if you're supposed to do it like that. So don't quote me, do your own research, but that is what I do. And rosemary oil is amazing for hair growth. So if you want to incorporate that, definitely do that. You'll see that I'm focusing the shampoo on my scalp and not as much the ends of my hair. I usually focus it on the scalp and kind of let it run down through the rest of my hair. That's the advice I've been given from a lot of hair experts because shampoo is usually going to kind of dry out a little bit wherever you put it. And we want to do that to our scalp, not so much to the ends of our hair, which are generally drier to begin with, but we still want to clean everything. So heavy on the scalp, kind of bring it down. And then with the conditioner, we're going to do the opposite. So we're going to focus more on the ends and not as much on the roots. Now going in with the Moroccan oil hydrating conditioner. Again, with the conditioner, we are focusing more on the ends and the rest of the hair, not so much up top. So I'll rake it through with my fingers and then comb it through just to make sure it's fully saturating my hair. Okay, and here comes the worst part. We are going to rinse it out with cold water. So warm water opens up the hair cuticle, lets the conditioner in. It's going to get the hair all nice and moisturized. And then we need to close the cuticle back up by rinsing it out with cold water. This is going to make your hair softer and more shiny and beautiful. Even though it sucks, you can do it. You can do hard things. You can do anything for 20 seconds, right? That's all you need. Okay, so I also want to show you how I deep condition my hair and what I've been using. This is an extensive wash day. Normally, I'm not doing all of this the same day, but I just want to show you everything in this video. So I try to deep condition my hair about once a week, oftentimes less, but this is the Natural Tech Nourishing Vegetarian Miracle Mask. It works really well, and I love the ingredients in it. It kind of smells like a sauna. I don't know. It's so different. It smells like a sauna to me, like that wood smell. It's interesting. I don't know, but I like it. I really do. So this one's kind of expensive. You don't need this one necessarily. It is a good one, but get one with good ingredients that works for you. So I put this in my hair and I put my hair in a little bun and I either finish my shower while leaving it in for about 5 minutes or I get out and go do something else for a while longer and leave it in for like several hours. But 5 minutes is what it says on the jar and that's usually good enough. Then I rinse it out with cold water again and my hair is going to be so soft. So before I get out, I'm doing a little bit of finger coiling, and in my last video, I was doing this and I said I didn't like it, but I was doing it wrong. So I finally learned how to do it. And if I had the patience, I would probably do this to my whole head because it really does work. And it gives you those perfect little ringlet curls that aren't going to give you any trouble. But I usually just do it to the curls around my face and a few random ones in the body of my hair. I don't have the patience for the whole thing. So it's fine. So when I do this extensive wash day, I usually do it on a day when I don't have anything else going on so that I can just wash it and not put a ton of product in it afterwards. I can just kind of give my hair a break and let it breathe. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm just going to do a little bit of leave-in conditioner from Inner Sense, and I'm going to do a tiny little bit of this mousse, but it's so light that it still feels like there's nothing on my hair. So I'm not doing my typical routine with the creams and the gels. We're just doing a little bit of leave-in conditioner and then letting it air dry for now. Okay, so this is a little bit of a real moment because I never go out with my hair like this. This is what it looks like directly after wash day. So I know some people love their hair on wash day. I do not. My hair it feels really good. It feels so light and fresh and clean, but it feels so flat to me. Like I don't have that volume until like day 2 or 3. So this is what it's looking like. It does feel amazing. It feels so soft and so light and just so clean and so free from all of the things that I put it through. So it's definitely a different look, but all part of the process. And here is my hair the next day with full product after doing my complete curly hair routine, which I posted recently. I can give you that link as well. So that is my current hair wash routine. It has completely transformed my hair. It's allowed it to grow so much healthier, so much thicker and curlier, and it just feels amazing. So let me know if you try it or if you have any questions. I'm here for you. I got you, and I'll see you in the next video.